Hello guys, I'm here at Guaranty RV. I'm JD. Today we are looking at an A122 A-frame. It's a 2019 version. We're going to start on the outside and kind of walk around. So the first thing we have is a power front jack. We are going to get two small 5-gallon propane tanks, and then behind that we would provide a basically one 12-volt battery. Boom, here we got some racks. You can store your bikes, your kayaks, anything you really prefer. We'll have a little storage here, which I'll show you on the inside. Coming around, you're gonna have your grab handle, your plug-ins for any of your TVs, your barbecues, anything you would like. We are gonna have some outdoor speakers, and then this rail right here is you will get provided basically a barbecue that you'll be able to put there, and you'll be able to cook and do everything you want. And then here's going to be your propane tank, which will feed that. And then you're going to get a little more storage cubby here, which I'll show you on the inside. And then on to the back, we're going to get the spare tire, and we're going to get a Wi-Fi extender. Going around, and then starting here, we are going to get our pull-out tray, which is kind of handy. We're going to get the main water supply connections here. We're going to get the cable and satellite hookups. You are going to get an outdoor shower, so when you go to the coast, you can rinse off. And then we are going to get the main power supply. This is going to weigh only 2,000 pounds, so if you have anything small, you're good to go. Now going on to the inside, it's going to be pretty simple and easy. We're going to get a dinette as soon as we walk in off to the right. Now this will drop down, turn into your bed. Underneath here is going to be that storage that I was talking about from the outside. We are going to get a small little fridge here. We're going to get the 3 stove top burner. We're going to get the sink. And then on this side, we are going to get a nice little oven and a little door that we can actually store things in. And then my favorite thing, because I love storage, you got even more of it. From that, guys, if we have any questions, give me a call at 541-954-4683. I'd love to help you out. Thank you.